It's hard to believe we've been here 7, 8 hours. I think some of the team have been here much longer. Seems like 5 minutes for me, and I think that's always a good sign of having a really good day. It's my chance just to give you some 1 or 2 reflections, and I can actually say what the hell I wouldn't now, can't I? With only having 4 months to go. But one or two things resonated with me today. Some funny things to start off with. I think it's fantastic that Glasgow invented the 48-hour day. So that's going to be something that will live with us for a long time. For Sue's, the barbecue chat. I think that's something we'll all look forward to this weekend when the clocks change. The podium planet. I think there's got something in that in terms of resonating for the future. Do not replace people with AI. And I guess from the last piece from Stuart, and one of the reasons we asked Stuart today was not only his life story, but for me, linking that experiential marketing with a brand, £1 billion last year, with Cirque du Soleil, one of the most special performances in the world. But I guess also, my plea to the industry is, we talked about competitors. Let's not be competitive within our own family. I think it's really important that we hold on to the strength of our business, sporting and cultural fabric, and that actually we do look at that portfolio moving forward. If we try and fight within it, we will fail. I'm really confident looking forward. I think you as an industry are still very hungry to take risk, but we need to be agile. We need to stay focused and strong. And I guess, again, leaning on what Sue said this morning, I think the why has come through really strongly today. And that articulation of the qualitative and quantitative, both the statistical and the narrative, will be the key to the door moving forward. So for me, thanks to my own team, led by Marion Torkel, done a fantastic job today. I think this has been a great venue. I look forward for further engagement over the next few months in terms of the rollout of the strategy in the spring. But before we go to drinks, I've got one final comment, and I think this would make a great strategy strapline. And that was from Jane Cooper. And I'll leave you with this. And this is what we should do as an industry. Make great memories for everybody. Thank you.